To bring home the bacon. It's an English idiom which doesn't mean to literally bring home the bacon that you would then fry and have in a sandwich. No, 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 no. It means to bring home the money. So to the family in particular. So you might say something like, now I've got a new job, I can bring home the bacon. Or, I'm dying, son, it is your turn to bring home the bacon. There are all sorts of clues as to the origins. There was somewhere in Essex, I think, where every year they gave a side of bacon to those couples that demonstrated they were really happily married. Bacon used to mean all pork. Who knows? Who knows? There was a man that lived down the road who was telling me about his experiences during the war. And bacon then, and they had a pig, and Dad made the bacon with it. And I said, oh, I bet that was good, wasn't it? And he said, no, it's awful. He was terrible at it. You always expect people that make their own stuff to be good, don't you? The idea of this poor man eating this rancid bacon as a child is not good. Anyway, to bring home the bacon, to bring in the money to the family. See you soon.